Now you can see 2.3 sum applications. We begin with a simple example. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? We have a puzzle here. We do not know either of the two numbers. We don't know. Only it is written here sum of two numbers is, and we have to find them. We are given two conditions. One of them number is 10 more than the other. Their sum is 74. We already know for class 7th how to proceed, but you forgot. So I am repeating here. If the smaller number is taken to be x, then second number will be 10 more than the x. That means x plus 10, and sum of two numbers, that means x plus 10, and addition sign is 74. Second possibility may be here. Alternative method I am explaining. The sum of their sum is 74. The sum of two numbers is 74. If a smaller number we assume that x, then greater number will be 74 minus x. Whatever value we will subtract from 74, we will get greater number. And here is written one of the number is 10 more than the other. That means this number is 10 more than the smaller number. So when we will find difference of this two number, we get answer 10. So 74 minus plus minus 2x, because minus plus with negative sign we will add. So minus 2x equal to 10 minus 74, and minus 2x equal to minus 64. Minus cancel by cancel, then we can find the value of x equal to 32. So 74 minus 32 will be, according to us, 74 minus 32, 4, 2 minus 2, 7, 42. And according to book, thus their sum x plus 10, 74. X, 2x plus 10 equal to 74, 2x equal to 74 minus 10, 2x equal to 64, x equal to 32. So if you go for tuitions, then if your teacher is teaching any method and method is correct, so marks will be given. Don't worry. If I am solving by another method, your tuition teacher is solving another method, definitely marks will be given if the method is correct. So don't worry. Now let us start. Illustration you will solve. Now let us start exercise 2.2. Now see exercise 2.2. First question. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, suppose that the number is x, so x minus 1 upon 2 is there, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, that means x minus 1 by 2, close the bracket, and 1 by 2. We will get answer 1 upon 8. What is the number? Suppose the number be x. Let us start. Let the number be x. Then according to word problem, from x we will subtract 1 by 2, and left number we will multiply 1 by 2. So result is 1 by 8. So 2 is in the denominator. X minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2. X minus 1 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4. So x equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. X equal to, LCM will be 4. 4 ones are 4. So 1 as it is. 2 2s are 4. That 2 you will multiply. Quotient you will multiply in the 1. 2 ones are 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So the number is 3 by 4. Now next question is, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That means first we will assume breadth, and whatever breadth is there we will multiply by 2 in the breadth and add 2. So we will get length. Then we will use the formula of perimeter and then calculate the length and breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So equation I will form, then equation you will solve by transposed method. Okay. So first we will assume let the breadth of rectangular swimming pool be x in meter, because perimeter is given in the meter unit. Then length will be, length is twice of breadth more than 10. So length will be 2x plus 10 in meter. Now according to word problem, perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is equal. The formula of perimeter is 2 in the bracket L plus B. Then perimeter is given 154 equal to 2. Length we assume 2x plus 10 and breadth we assume x, or because variable is in RHS side, so RHS side we will take in place of LHS side. So 2 in the bracket 2x plus 10 plus x equal to 154. Now 2 will be in the division sign, opposite of equal side. So 2x plus x, like terms we will arrange, plus 10. 154 upon 2, that means this. I forgot to put here 77. So 7, one more 7 you will write here. So 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So 3x plus 10 equal to 77. You can solve the equation, you will get the value of x, that is your breadth, and then you will write, so the breadth is dash meter. Now length is 2x plus 10, so 2 into whatever value of x you will substitute in the place of x. So 2 into plus 10 you will get breadth. Clear? So it is incomplete question, you will solve. You will complete this question. Now third question, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 upon 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? First, the definition of isosceles triangle. If in any triangle 2 sides are equal, then this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So remaining equal sides, first we will assume x. So 2 sides will be x plus x, and perimeter formula, the sum of all the 3 sides. So x plus 4 by 3 centimeter is equal to 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter, because it is the perimeter. So let us start. Equation I will form, you will solve the equation, find the value of x and write the answer in the statement form. Let the remaining equal sides, or you can write let the length of remaining equal sides be x. But I have written let the equal sides of isosceles triangle be x in centimeter. Then according to word problem, perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal sum of all the 3 sides. Remaining equal sides, that means from the figure you can see isosceles triangle base is given 4 by 3 centimeter and equal sides are x, x. Perimeter is given 4 integer 2 upon 15 is equal to first side, second side, third side, the sum of all the 3 sides. Or xx 2x plus 4 upon 3 is equal 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 2 62 upon 15. So 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. You will take LCM, then solve, find the value of x. Whatever value of x is there, that will be the remaining equal sides, the length of the remaining equal sides. Okay, you will solve. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Now fourth one, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the number. So you will assume let the number be x, then the second number will be exceeds, that means more than the first number, 15 more than that the first number. So second number will be x plus 15. So according to word problem, x plus in the bracket x plus 15 equal to 95. Then find the value of x. Whatever value you are getting, in that value if you will add 15, you will get second number. So this question you will solve yourself. Now fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ that means difference by 18, what are the numbers? So the meaning of ratio is the one number is common in both the numbers. When we divide by them, we will get the ratio. So common number we are assuming that x. So you will assume let the two numbers are 5x and 3x. Then according to word problem, greater number will be definitely 5x. So 5x minus 3x equal to 18. So you will get the value of x. That value, in that value, if you multiply by 5, you will get first number and second number. Okay. Now sixth question. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So let us start. If you will take integers, maybe positive or negative. So suppose that we are taking 2. After 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. After 3 or after than 2. So 2 plus 2. So any three integers we will assume x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let us start. Let three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. You can assume x minus 1, x and x plus 1 also. Now according to word problem, when you will add these three integers, you will get answer 51. Open the bracket, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, x, 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3x plus 3 equal to 51. Then you can find by now linear equations in one variable. Now you will calculate the value of x, and first integer will be this. Then second integer x plus 1 equal to whatever value you are getting, you will put here, and third integer x plus 2 is equal to whatever value of x you will put in place of x, and 8 to third integer you will get. Now seventh sum. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Now multiples, what the meaning of multiples? That means multiple of 2. You can say that 2 is a multiple of 2, 4 is a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple of 2, and we can write in the form 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Same way multiples we will assume x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. So when we will multiply by 8 into x, 8 into x plus 1, x, 8 into x plus 2, then we will add these three multiples of 8, then we will get 888. So in this way you will calculate. Why we are multiplying by 8 here? Because we want to show these are the multiples of 8. So let us start this sum. So you will assume let the three multiples of 8 be at x, at x plus 1 and at x plus 2. Same consecutive numbers you will take and multiply by 8. So these are multiples of 8. Then according to word problem, when we add these multiples, we are getting 888. 8x plus 8. Multiply in x also in 1. So at x plus 8. At x plus 8. 8 to the 16 equal to 888. So you can see the next step. At x plus 8 plus at x plus 16 is equal to 888. So 8x, 24x plus 8 and 16, 24. Now linear equation in one variable already are formed. Now after that you will find the value of x multiplied by 8. So first multiple of 8 is your answer. Now second multiple 8 into x plus 1. Whatever value of x you are getting, add 1 and multiply by 8. In this way third also you can find. Now eighth one. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So three consecutive integers, you know x, x plus 1, x plus 2. In x multiply by 2, in x plus 1 multiply by 3, and in x multiply by 4. Then you will add. So you will get the number 2x plus 3 in the bracket x plus 1 plus 4 in the bracket x plus 2. So you will get answer 74. So these question you can solve yourselves. I repeat, increasing order you have to take 3 integers, and integers we know x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. In x, so according to word problem, multiply by 2 in first integer 2x, second 3 in the bracket x plus 1, third in the bracket x plus 2 multiply by 4, that means 4 in the bracket x plus 2. Now according to word problem you will write 2x plus 3 bracket x plus 1 plus 4 in the bracket x plus 2 is equal to 74. And you will frame the equation, linear equation, then find the value of x. In the value of x you will add 1, you will get second integer, then third integer. Then you will, if you want to check your answer, so this, if whatever value you are getting, x multiply by 2, in x plus 1 multiply by 3, in x plus 2 multiply by 4. When you will add these numbers you will get 74. Okay, try. If you are having any query you can ask me. Now ninth one, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? I explain the meaning of ratio. What is the meaning of ratio? The ratio is that number when we common multiple of this, when we multiply by that number in this and this, we will get actual value. So that common multiple of this and this may be, or we are assuming, be x. So you will write, let the ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x in years. Now 4 years later, that means later after, our age will increase. So you will write, after 4 years the Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. Then according to word problem, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. Then frame the equation and solve the question. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Now see here, the number of boys and girls in class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So first what we will do? Let the number of boys, same multiple, common multiple, we will take x. So let the number of boys be 7x and girls be 5x. Now the number of boys is 8 more than, that means obviously boys are more than the number of girls. So 7x minus 5x equal to 8 you can take, or in other way, alternate method also, what you can do, 7x equal to 5x plus 8, because we want to put equal sign the number of girls and number of boys to frame a linear equation in one variable. So if we 7x already 8 more than the girl, so we will add in the 8 in the number of girls. So in this way you can solve this question also.